Question number 1. In which year was the 89th Amendment Act of the Indian Constitution enacted? Correct answer is option C, 2003. Question number 2. Which edition of the Sustainable Development Report 2025 was released in June 2025? Correct answer is option C, 10th. Question number 3. Which shortcut key is used to save a file in most computer applications? Correct answer is option B, Control plus S. Question number 4. Which tier of panchayat system was recommended by the Balwant Rai Mehta Committee? Correct answer is option B, 3-tier. Question number 5. Which of the following offices is established under Article 76 of the Indian Constitution? Correct answer is option B, Attorney General for India. Question number 6. Arrange the following coastal plains of India from north to south direction. 1. Malabar Coast, 2. Konkan Coast, 3. Coromandel Coast. Correct answer is option B, 2, 1, 3. Question number 7. Why did metal coins become ineffective in the post-Gupta period? Correct answer is option B, because people started mining coins at home or locally due to lack of central authority. Question number 8. In which year was the Gandhi-Irwin Pact signed to stop the civil disobedience movement between Mahatma Gandhi and Viceroy Lord Irwin? Correct answer is option C, 1931. Question number 9. Which unique feature is the ancient Indus Valley Civilization site of Dholavira most famous for? Correct answer is option B, advanced water management and reservoir systems. Question number 10. Which type of lens is used to correct far-sightedness? Correct answer is option B, convex lens. Question number 11. Malaria is caused by which of the following protozoa? Correct answer is option B, Plasmodium. Question number 12. In October 2024, which of the following languages was or were approved by the Union Cabinet to be conferred the status of classical languages? Correct answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 13. Which article of the Indian Constitution is related to the control of high courts over subordinate courts? Correct answer is option C, Article 235. Question number 14. Microliths are the characteristic tools of which of the following ages? Correct answer is option B, Mesolithic age. Question number 15. Which state topped the medal tally at the first edition of the Khelo India Water Sport Festival? Correct answer is option B, Madhya Pradesh. Question number 16. Where was the Securing Our Future London Summit of International Leaders held in 2025 to draft a peace plan to end the Russian invasion of Ukraine? Correct answer is option C, London, UK. Question number 17. In October 2025, Coal India Limited signed a memorandum of understanding with which Indian Institute of Technology to establish a Center for Sustainable Energy? Correct answer is option C, IIT Madras. Question number 18. Which state in India has the highest literacy rate according to the latest census data? Correct answer is option C, Kerala. Question number 19. Where is the headquarters of South Western Railway located? Correct answer is option C, Hubli. Question number 20. What is the shortcut key for save as in MS Word? Correct answer is option C, F12. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.